Hey guys, Christian over at Enfit Car Stereo. Today we're in a 2012 Audi A3. We're going to install a microphone. So this is where the factory microphone goes. This is a secondary location. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you how to run a microphone from here all the way to the back of the radio. In this case, we're using it with a Denshin Bluetooth device, but you can also use it with an aftermarket radio. All right, first part of the install is dropping this piece down. So just grab this is a Enfit PPT1. Our panel tools are sold individually, a set of 5 if you work on your own cars. As a nice set to have. So what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna go over here, just stick it between the 2 pieces of plastic, and then it'll just come out by itself. Nice and easy. All right. Now this is the factory microphone. You can just unplug that by pulling on it. All right, so it just unplugs. Now, in here, you are going to see, more towards the center, okay, 2 holes. That is where there will be, usually they're 2 10 millimeters. This is 10 millimeters. Usually 2 Phillips heads. This is weird. I don't know why Audi did this, but in every other, there's no other Phillips head screw in this car. They're all usually Torx. Whoops. There it is. Got it. This one is a Phillips head. Okay. All right, now you're just gonna squeeze over here, pull. All right, it hinges at the back, so pull from the front and let it go. Now, when you look over here, you can see this opening. That's the one we're gonna use. Let me go get the microphone. I'll be right back. All right, so when I got the microphone, so if you look at the microphone, what it is actually the old video with the old microphone. I don't know if I ever put a video for an A3 up before, but the old microphone was just a regular microphone that fit in there. Now we actually have a custom housing that we built to go in here. So if you look at the housing, it's going to have a split. I don't know if you can see that. Adjusted it here. Wrong way. All right, it has like a little split. So the split, when you look at it, it's going to go in where that little notch is. All right. So you're going to put it like that, and you'll see on the side it also has wings. See, the wings align with the other sides too, and when you pop it, it's going to go all the way in, and you're going to want to push it. It's a little tight, it's a little snug. You're going to want to push it with something from the back. Just don't crush the wire. That's why we put a slit there. Oops, lights came on. That's good enough. All right, so you see now it sits right there, and then now you don't have to look at it, and the cover goes back on. So then the wire, what you're going to do is you're just going to take the wire, snake it out here, put a couple fingers. Don't put them in there for too long, because then you'll stretch it out and the crease will stick. You know, 5-10 seconds is fine, but don't put a screwdriver in there, go have lunch, and then come back. All right, so very important. When you do this, make sure that the wire lands between these two, and look in the hole before you put the screw back on, because I myself have gotten the screw gone through the wire. Okay, so that goes there, that goes there. Put the 2 screws back on, and we'll continue on the other side. All right, guys. Now taking this A-pillar off sounds complicated. It's really easy. A3 is one of the easiest Audis to do it in. Just grab a panel tool, pop it in here. This will easily pop out. I say easily, but it's not coming out easy. All right. So now that you pop it out, the trick to this is pulling it up. So there has a clip that clips in, and you have to pull it up to release it. So I'm gonna pull up, keep going until it comes right out. Now it came right out. Now, before you get happy, don't forget there's a tweeter here. All right, so this tweeter, if I can show you, good enough. Lighting is way off on this thing. So I mean, lighting is way off on the video, but I didn't adjust it well. Well, it's not the lighting. The lighting on my arm is off. Anyway, squeeze this, pull off, and then goes the tweeter. Now, you're going to get the cable. All you do is pull down, tuck. All right, just pull down on the headliner, like so, and just tuck it in the headliner. All right, now, let me go get some tape, and basically we're just going to tape it all the way down here. I'm just going to tape it and come back. All right, guys, so here I'm back. I put the tape, 1, 2, and 3 on the bottom. This cable just slides in between here and here, all the way into the side. And then all we're going to do is we're going to reconnect the tweeter and pop this thing back in. Alright guys, so the final part of this install is we are gonna drop this down, go over here. Actually there isn't. Sometimes there's a notch in certain Audis. Just gotta stick it between these two panels and pop it out. Well, when you get up here, turn. So grab this and turn. Same thing down here, and pull that right out, and that comes right out. If you look over here, there's 1, 2, 3 clips holding it in. Alright, at this point, I actually haven't done this in a while. Let me try going in there blind, see what happens. Alright, looks like it's not that easy. Not going to be that easy. Alright, so this pocket, in your glove box, there's a pocket here. Doesn't look like a pocket, it looks like part of the glove box, but it's a pocket. So what you're going to do is you're going to slide this in here, give it a little opening, and then I usually grab this one because it's the biggest one to leave less of a mark, and just squeeze it in there, and pop that right out. Alright, so that comes right out. In an 06, this is going to have a cable attached to it. 07 it doesn't. They bought that back in 08, 09. And then sometime, I think 12 or 13, they got rid of it. But alright guys, now we got that panel out. We're going to try to run the cable. I don't remember if you can get it straight through on this one. I'm about to find out. So I think it's like around here. So, oh, you got that? Right where alright, so pretty much right above this line, there's a straight shot. You gotta kind of be careful. See, so what's going on is that the head from the cable is actually what's getting stuck. So give it tight little pushes until it hits the other end. And when it hits the other end, you'll be able to grab it with your fingers and then just pull it on through. And that's it. See, that went through. Now we put the A-pillar back on and the screws back on top. And here's a microphone. That's how you run a microphone in an Audi A3. I'm pretty sure, I know this is the same for 06, 07. I'm pretty sure it's the exact same thing all the way up to 13, or I think 13 or 14 was the last year of this body style A3. I'm not 100% sure, but just check the website. You know, we'll have it updated. And that's it. Videos brought to you by nfitcarstereo.com. We sell and install. If you're a shop, we do wholesale accounts on the microphone, the tools, and all the other radio installation and iPod product we have for this car. Also Bluetooth, iPhone 7, iPhone 6, iPhone 5, iPhone 22 by the time you're watching this video. But anyway, nfitcarstereo.com, worldwide shipping. My name is Christian. Thank you for watching.